friends, good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Lera. So for today, it's cooking day. So I'm going to cook a pork recipe. Pork recipe with my own recipe. Kuha nyo. Yun bang wala akong pina-follow na recipe. Because you know me, kung anong meron sa fridge, yun ang lulutuin ko. So, I have a pork chop somewhat in here. And then, I don't know if it's really a pork chop. I don't know what kind of cutting is that. And then I have green peas. I have 1 big head of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and then of course yung gravy natin, combination of onion and mushroom, and then yung baby potatoes natin, and then oil, not necessarily olive oil, but I'm using a canola usually. And then of course reheat ko na yung iron cast ko. I love iron cast kasi lalo na pag nag-steak kayo, maganda siya. And then of course water. Ginamit ko yung cup ni Blossom. Para-paraan mga friends. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to fry my pork first mga friends. Para meron siyang crust. Na konti, hindi lang yung mag-iingat tayo. Kasi mainit na mainit ang iron pot natin. Tapos, isi-slow cook ko lang siya. Manipis na. Parang pork chop na siya. Manipis lang ang pagka-slice nito. I-brown ko lang siya saglit and then I'll just put all together the ingredients. I don't want to make it complicated. Especially if my babies are flying outside, they are safe in there because the gates are locked. So, and then I have a lot of toys outside. Why, my friends? Nito kasi talagang lalipad yung yung oil. Kaya sundan ko agad ng white para hindi dumikit. Basta na brown lang siya ng konti. Okay na. Ayan siya. Para hindi mo overcooking natin. I'm gonna put one of the mixture first, the gravy mixture, para hindi siya, while you're cooking, it's got really sticky. So that's how I do it. Hello, my baby. Where's Blossom? Huh? She's playing in there? Yeah. Good. What about you while you're here? It's hot.
What's that?
This is gravy.
What?
Pwede ko nang ilagay yung garlic. Saka yung natin, gonna put the baby potatoes right now so that it's gonna be tender as well, because this is a slow cooking. I want the potato to be very, very tender. That's how simple is this recipe from my own check. As long as it tastes good, mga friends, then it's fine. Kaya ito. Oh my gosh, my camera is warming now. So I'm gonna add the water first so that it will not stick in the bottom. And then when it's boiled, that's the time I'm gonna put my gravy mixture. Oopsie. Careful, miss. Kailangan ko munang i-boil saglit ito, mga friends. And then gravy. So, ayan siya. I don't know what is the name of this recipe. I'm thinking it's like casserole idea, but casserole is usually baked in the oven. So, I'm gonna slow my fire para hindi siya So, ayan siya, mga friends. I'll get you back later when I'm done. Sorry, mga friends, because Kuya said Blossom is picking my flowers. I'll get you back later. Okay, friends, we're in the final touches now. I will just add the... See, it's very creamy now. This is very well cooked because it's slow for an hour. And the pork is not so big. So, now since my hand is wet, I'm gonna... Because I just washed my hand, I'm gonna put our green peas. And then I will add more of the, what is this called? Gravy. I want to float it with gravy because it's more yummy. Sauce pa lang, ulam na, diba, mga friends? It's a Filipino, what is the sayings? Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Or this one is sauce pa lang, ulam na. So here we go. I wanted to make it a little bit thicker para lalong sumarap yung food natin. Okay, let me check. Wait. So ayan na ang finished product natin. And then I'll just add the spring onion for garnish. And then if you can see my gravy, it's just enough. It's not too thick like a paste. Because it's not, that's different taste already if you're gonna make it like a paste. And then spring onion is not just for garnishing, but it makes additional flavor and yumminess in your cooking. Because it's part of the herb. So, ayan na siya, mga friends. We're good. We're done. Feeding time for my babies. I don't know Norman because he said he might come home for lunch. But he might not. So, at least everything is ready. My rice is ready in there. So, good for me. Yay!